Hello everyone. So this is the announcement regarding our new political science optional foundation batch which we are starting from 20th of November. Okay. So the timing of the batch will be from 12 to 2:30. Okay. And the tenure of the batch will be from 6 to 6.5 months. So mainly this batch is for those who are aspiring for next year. But if you are aspiring for, let's say, 2026 and you are pre-ready and you are sure with your optional, you can think of joining this batch. Around 60 to 70% of our syllabus will be finished before our pre-exam. But better if you are aspiring for 27, this batch is for you. And rest of the syllabus will cover after the pre-exam. So in this video, I just want to tell you that. So first thing, it is the information regarding the new batch and how the classes I take is that first we'll go for the detailed discussions of the topics. After the detailed discussion, it will always be the doubts which I take if you have been able to understood the topic properly or not. And then the notes you will get in the class in the form of dictations. Okay. Next day you come by after reading the notes, and if you have doubts, so class always starts with the doubt session first. After the completion of every topic, there will be a PYQ being given, so that you should come in the habit of that. But there's a lot of inertia from when to begin with writing answers. Do not expect that you will start writing answers, excellent answers from the first day itself. It will take time, but somehow we need to come into the habit of writing. So from the beginning itself, I always try that you should break this inertia and you should start writing. So after the completion of every topic, one or two PYQs will be given. It will be always previous year question. We will analyze all the PYQs in the class after the completion of the topic. This will give you confidence that what we are discussing is exactly being asked by the UPSC in the previous year papers. Then you will try to write an answer for the PYQ, and then you will get the feedback. So this will be the flow of the lectures, right? Once the batch will be completed, you will get the 16 test series with the foundation batch. This test series, for those who are joining this batch, this test series will start for them next year. Once you are done with the syllabus, we'll be able to compile the syllabus, let's say around June, July. Then the test series will start in November 2026. 8 tests will take place before pre, and 8 tests will take place after pre. Okay. After pre, we have our crash course program also, and crash course program plus 8 tests is the part of the foundation batch. So if you are joining the foundation batch, you will get everything at one platform till your mains exam. Okay. And these tests will take place before pre-exam, right? So these will be the sectional tests, and these will be the full paper and full length tests. So it is different from the PYQ. So regular will have PYQ discussions, PYQ sessions. You will write answers, and by the time test series will come, you will be in the habit of writing answer, and you would have completed your syllabus at least twice. Okay. Other than this, we're going to have a WhatsApp group. All of those who will join will be the part of this group, and all further communication and information will be given to you on the group itself. Okay. On the WhatsApp group, we do share the PDFs of our monthly magazine perspective, which you can download from the website also. on the WhatsApp group all important articles and editorials which keeps coming and are relevant and important from the exam point of view. The PDFs of those articles are being shared on the WhatsApp group. This group of yours will remain active till the time you are in the preparation. It is you who will quit this group, either getting into the services or let's say you are done with your preparation. So this group will remain active till the time you are aspiring and preparing, and that's how you always remain in touch with us, right? Other than this, you will get app access. Those who are joining offline, they will also get this app access and they will have the option of joining the live lecture and the recorded. Though I always recommend students that you should come for offline, the kind of interaction you can have in the class, there is no other alternate. But if you are not in Delhi or there are some other reasons that you want to save your travel time, you can join live, but always attend live with the webcam on. Don't leave it on the recorded lectures. It will keep adding burden on your, it is like just unnecessarily putting burden on yourself. Until unless you are not a working professional, you should finish your class daily in the form of live discussion and interact as much as you can. Sit with the webcam on and interaction will help you to, will give you a lot of clarity. Okay, so you will get both the option of live and recording, right? If somehow you miss any lecture, those who are coming for the offline class miss any lecture, you can watch recorded. The access of the recorded lectures will be given to you for 1 year. Okay, so app, your account on the app will remain active, and you will have the possibility of rewatching the lecture too if you want to. Okay, so this is all what I wanted to convey. uh, Batch is starting from 20th, that is day after tomorrow. So we have limited offline seats. Online you can join whenever you feel so. Okay, so any other information you can reach to us, you can reach with your doubts, and any other query, feel free to call, and you can call and you can come to the institute to fetch any information regarding your optional, regarding GS, or if you're confused with anything, we do have our GS mentorship programs going on for both pre and mains. So if you have any doubt, feel free to interact and engage. Wishing you all best of luck, best wishes. Take care.